Is there lipstick all over my teeth? Probably. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are gonna do the June Boxycharm battle. So if you wanna see Boxycharm Luxe versus Boxycharm Premium, then just hang out. My look is a little bit severe today with my hair pulled back, skin is pale, lips are dark, lots of lashes, but you know what? I guess summer vampire, is that what we're gonna call it? My tropical shirt. Okay, so I'm still getting Boxycharm Premium, and this month is a Boxy Luxe, so it's upgraded. There's a couple more items, increased value, but we are still gonna compare and see which box wins. Haha. Let's start, I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands. Let's start with Boxycharm Premium. So the first item in the Boxycharm Premium is from Glow Recipe. This is very exciting. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask that retails for $49. This is a sleeping mask with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. Did I say that word correctly? Didn't sound like it. So basically, this is an overnight mask that you would apply after your evening skincare before going to sleep, and it reveals smoother, hydrated skin. Uses a wash-off flash facial, or as an overnight mask for deep recovery. So my skin is pretty much back to normal, but you know, it's extremely combination. So super dry in the areas that it's dry and super oily in the areas that it's oily. But what I really love about this is that it helps kind of to bring a balance. So when I wake up in the morning, it's not so combination. Can you see the inside? It's like a cream. I was expecting it to be more of like a gel. It's not. It's a cream. The only issue is once it gets down to the bottom of this container, it's gonna be a little hard to get all that stuff out. So it's a good thing that I have a couple of little facial mask spatulas so I don't have to dig my finger down in there. Gross. This is a brand that I have discovered in the last year or so, and everything that I've tried has just been a total hit. So this is from Skin & Co. This is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel that retails for $22. So, I mean, a $22 shower gel, it's a little exorbitant. It's a lot exorbitant. Normally never pay $22 for a body wash. This one, it does smell good. I've used it a couple times. It's very strong of lemongrass. So if you are somebody who really loves the lemongrass scent, you will love this. It says Sardinian myrtle, lemongrass, and wild orange. Well, I don't smell any orange. You know, it's a shower gel. Behaves like a shower gel. It foams up nicely, smells good, cleans the bod, you know, whatever. It's cruelty-free, organic. Would I pay $22 for this? No way. No way, but it's nice. I'll use it. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. It retails for $44. I was pretty excited actually to see this because I love the Too Faced Cocoa, is it bronzer? Contour? Cocoa powder? You know, the one that smells like chocolate? This smells like chocolate too. This packaging is so luxurious, probably unnecessarily so, but it's super heavy, like super heavy. This package is beautiful. It's amazing. But Too Faced packaging has it, okay? It's this beautiful soft touch on the front, shiny gold and fingerprints on the back. So inside you're getting 3 matte contour shades and 3 matte highlight shades. Today I used the light and the medium contour all on my face, and I used the light highlight. So the thing that's unique about these highlights that's a little bit different than the highlights that we have become accustomed to is that they're not shiny at all. There's no shimmer, shine, sparkle, golden, silver, none of that. They're just matte colors, which makes actually for a more natural kind of highlight. It doesn't look as wet or, you know, oily. So if you're somebody who does not enjoy that look, try out a matte highlight. So this would be really beautiful under the eyes. I used it today for a little bit of brightening. I used it down my nose, on the center of my forehead, a little bit on my upper lip, just to kind of help plump those areas up, and it worked nicely. So sometimes I just want to embrace my paleness and still look snatched, which is when I would really go into contours, vice, bronzers. For $44, this box is already winning. This and that Glow Recipe mask. Oh. This is the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush that retails for $30. So I used this brush today with the contour and highlight palette and it worked beautifully. So it's a super soft, like super soft brush, but it's very dense but soft at the same time. It has this beautiful angle to it so you can really get into that cheekbone area. When I first saw it, I was kind of like, okay, I don't really need any more brushes. Brushed out. And I was a little suspicious of this design, but it's really nice. It's a really nice brush. Okay, these last two products in this box have me squinting at you, Boxycharm. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Longwear Matte Eyeliner that retails for $20. So this is not a pen, it is a little pot and a felt tip applicator. This was really difficult to work with, really difficult. It does say shake it, and I did. I shook the shit out of it. Activated the product enough, but it just would not apply very nicely. It was either way too wet or way too dry, and it got kind of crumbly. I mean, the color was very deep and it's a very dense payoff when you can get it to pay off, but there was some areas where I'm like drawing on, because I was trying to do a little cat eye for you today. I'm drawing on and like nothing is happening. Nothing's coming off, nothing's sticking. It was just, this was very, very difficult to work with. I did not enjoy this at all. I thought I addressed this in the last Boxycharm video that I did where I got a Kat Von D product. This says KVD on it, but this says Kat Von D on the package. Get new boxes already. I thought this was rebranded like 6 months ago. Come on, another Kat Von D product. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. I got the color Motorhead. This retails for $22. It's the color that I'm wearing right now. It's very deep, very deep. It's like an ox blood color almost. So the applicator on this bullet lipstick was surprisingly sharp, so I was able to apply this very precisely without worrying about it being messy. The formula is a little bit dry, and I was really kind of scared of this deep color, so I was trying to layer. I think this would go on better just like go for it, you know what I mean? Like a nice good layer and be done. I feel like multiple applications, multiple layers is maybe not the best way to use this, so that's a learning experience for me, but I was just afraid of the color. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like I really have any lipstick on at all, and it's not on my teeth, which is shocking. Let me look at this packaging. Does this say Kat Von D? Yeah, this says Kat Von D in the packaging too. Motherfucking Von D. Okay, get new boxes. Gah. So all of the items in the Boxycharm Premium offering this month add up to $185. That's a lot for your money, and just this contour, this face mask, and this brush alone, beautiful box, beautiful box. So far, it's a high bar. Okay, this is gonna be a true battle. So let's see what is in the Boxycharm Premium. Okay, so the Boxycharm Premium is a different version of the box that is all premium type of products. So the first item in this month's box, this is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It's a foaming face wash that retails for $24. This packaging is surprisingly pretty luxe, feels really nice. It is a plastic, but it's like a frosted feel. It almost feels like glass until you notice that you can squeeze it. So it is a foam. So you just press down on the top and it dispenses a foam. So you don't have to lather it up yourself. One pump is enough, I have noticed. One pump is enough. You put it on your skin, rinse it around, wash it off, done and done. This isn't necessarily gonna clean off your makeup, so I would recommend that this be your second step. So remove your makeup first and then go over your skin again with this cleanser. It's really gentle, there's not a crazy smell, it doesn't make your skin feel tight or dry or uncomfortable, so it's pretty good. $24 I feel like is maybe a little steep for this, but you do get a fair amount of product and it works. So surprisingly, I like it. Didn't think I would. This is the M. Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream that retails for $56. This unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption, packed with high-performance ingredients, blah, 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 skin soothing and calming. It says you can use it as a moisturizer or on challenging spots. So like if you had a dry spot, irritated spot, bug bite, something like that. Here's the problem. I can't use this because of the CBD oil that's in it. You know, it's very clearly, it says that there's no THC in it, so you're not gonna get high or anything by using this, and there are really great skin benefits and health benefits to CBD oil. However, it is a condition of my employment that I cannot use anything along those lines, so unfortunately I can't use this, so I'll have to pass it on to a friend. Sorry, M. Greengrass. This is the Malin & Getz Recovery Treatment Oil that retails for $82. $82. Woo! Grapeseed and rosehip oil boosts hydration, vitamin C and E improves skin tone, and geranium and borage oils help balance skin. So I have used this a few times and I really like it. It's a super light oil. It's not heavily scented at all. It really just glides on. It feels like water almost. So I've been using this with the next item that I'm going to talk about, and it's just very light. Absorbs very well. I used it today before I applied my makeup, pretty much as my moisturizer, and look at my skin. So what I've been really enjoying this with is, you guys, I got one. I got a gua sha stone. Look at this. Have you guys seen this? It's like a craze. This is from Osei. It's the Gua Sha Sculptor. This retails for $32. It's jade, okay? It's a jade stone that is specially designed to, you know, line up with the contours of your face. So before I did my makeup application today, I did do a full treatment, a little facial massage using the stone and this oil to help, you know, lube it up a little bit, help make it glide a little bit better. Inside this little pouch that you can keep your stone in, it came with a little guide, like a little face chart to show you kind of the best order and direction to massage your skin. So you just hold the stone and, you know, whatever is gonna hug the contour that you are working in whatever zone of your face, and you're just massaging and helping to direct whatever fluids might be under your skin, making your skin look puffy or any of that. I feel, and it might be all in my head, but I feel like after using this stone, my skin is noticeably more snatched. You know what I mean? Like, I just feel depuffed. I really love this. Really love this. How much is this? The stone retails for $32 and you can keep it in this little case. I definitely dropped this in my sink and it broke. And then I super glued it back together. So it's fine. This is the Purlisse Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. It retails for $35. So foundation, BB cream, sunscreen, it's good. This is a super light coverage. I used it today. So after I did my facial massage with the oil, I applied this, and I have used this before. I've gotten a few times sample sizes in other sample boxes or purchases from Sephora or whatever, and I really like it. It goes on very nicely. It's hydrating. You can't really see it, like it doesn't look makeup-y. I did have to use a little bit of concealer in areas where I'm having a little bit of trouble or need a little extra coverage, but if you're somebody who likes a very light situation, then you're really gonna like this. It says it's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy. Oh, it's glowy. This is a glowy, okay? So if you don't like glow, pass. Move on to the next, because this is not matte at all. It's almost like after you put on sunscreen, how your skin has that really beautiful sheen. That's what you're gonna get with this. So, I like it. This is the Tartist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette that retails for $49. In this here palette, you get 20 colors. 20 colors! They're all really pretty too. Lots of mattes. All of the square ones are mattes, and then these little circles are your shimmer shades. Beautiful. And I'm not normally a fan of Tarte eyeshadows. I used it today, it went on really nicely. I mean, I might be converted. The color selection that you get, you know, there's nice light shades to help tone down some of the deeper ones. You can really pump it up with these shimmer shades. And there's a couple fun choices in there, like this one, this like slate metallic blue. It's really pretty. I kind of went for a more easy neutral eye only because I knew I was gonna put on this crazy lip. So it's nothing too crazy, but it's nice. It's nice. And this is $49. I mean, so far, geez, the value of this box is crazy. This is the Lily Lashes XXX Mascara that retails for $24. So it's extra volumizing, extra bold, extra lengthening, dual fiber wand, coats every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. I used this today. I did put lashes on because I couldn't resist, but I did like it. It's a little bit wet, but that will resolve itself in the next couple of days. You know how mascara goes. Actually, let's add a little bit more, shall we? Shall we? Ooh. I'm realizing now I only had one coat. I love mascaras. I'm always looking for new mascaras, and this one is pretty good. This is the Bodyography Lip Pencil Set in the colors Pouty and Rosewood. Pouty is the more like nude, traditional nude shade, and Rosewood is like more of a deep cherry kind of a color. So I ended up, after I applied the lipstick, I had a little bit of unevenness on my lip line because I'm old and my lip line is betraying me. So I went over the edges with this cherry color Rosewood just to help clean it up, and it's really nice. I've gotten Bodyography pencils before in the past and they're always really good. They never disappoint. So a set of 2 for $28 is a pretty good value. All of these items from the Boxycharm Luxe. So we've got the Kylie Skin Wash, the Purlisse BB Cream, the mascara, the eyeshadow palette, the Gua Sha Stone Sculptor, the CBD cream that I can't use, so whatever, and the Malin & Getz Recovery Oil, and the Pencil Duo Set all add up to a value of, are you ready? $330. I mean, that is nearly double the value of the premium box. Now, which items do I enjoy more? Think that Boxy Luxe is gonna win this time, not Boxy Premium. Boxy Premium has been sweeping the competition the whole time, just I think probably by the nature of the boxes, but this month, I mean, Boxy Luxe came through. Okay, so the winner this month for Boxycharm June's Boxycharm battle is Luxe. So I think that wraps up the June Boxycharm battle. Let me know what you got in your box, whether you got Premium or Luxe or just Boxycharm Standard. All of these products mentioned will be linked down in the description box, including any other items that might be on my face that I didn't talk about in the video with links for purchase. If you don't know how to subscribe to Boxycharm and you're interested, then there is also a link down below for you to do that. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing to this channel before you leave today. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday, and you can also follow me on some of the other social channels. There's a train going by, being very aggressive. Okay, that's it for now. I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! That was the June Boxy... What the fuck? Do you hear the cars? Do you hear them? Hello? Hi. Fucking traffic. What the fuck? Is it like a parade of trucks? Boxy Premium. Sure, why not? My skin has